Right, in this video we are doing some more acoustic panels, these little babies here. I've already made a video in the past and I will stick a link into that video in case you want to watch it in the video description below and also at the end of the video, just in case you want to watch it. So yeah, basically what I'm going to be doing is installing some more. I've got 6 on there at the moment, as you can see, 2, 4 and then 6 right down the bottom, and I want to go all the way along to that side of the wall. So it reduces the sound coming out of the fans at my computer, because my computer is quite loud. Also, I want to improve the acoustics in this room by making it not so echoey, if you like. So that is the plan. So going that way, and I do believe I have enough to go that way as well, but mainly to go that way first. So with that, shall we get on with it? It costs around about £17 per pack, and you get a pack of 6, so they're not too expensive. But if you want to try and improve your acoustics, this might be the baby for you. So like I said, I'm going to get on with it now, right? So I've got to turn everything off, pull it all out, and then put them in.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Right, so she's all finished. Yeah, it was quite easy to do. All you had to do, make sure it was level. When I got to do this part over here, I had to move this bit of trunking over just to make sure that these panels would fit in, because I didn't really want to cut them. So all I had to do is move this over a little bit, and the little extension cable I got stuck to the wall, I had to move that over as well, but wasn't too big of a problem. When I was installing these, I noticed it was going downhill. So I got my spirit level out just to make sure it was actually level. And these are level, and is this that is slightly bowed. Yeah, it is bowed, because when I fitted it in, I made sure that I had done the screws exactly level. And when I put this in, it is a little bit bowed. That's why it looks like there's a gap there, and it looks like it's going downhill. It's actually this. I'm going to try and straighten it up a little bit, or I might actually buy a newer unit and take this one out and replace it with another one at a later stage maybe. But apart from that, I think it looks alright, doesn't it? I'm pleased with it. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Hopefully you might hear a better audio sound. I am not sure, but it does sound not so echoey to me from now on, you know, just by putting that up. And it's also made that a little bit quieter as well, believe it or not. I can hear the difference. You might not be able to hear the difference, but I can hear the difference. So anyway, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever to subscribe, and it does help the channel to carry on growing. Thanks very much for watching.